I'm here with Hazel Mixon, V90553. You can see I'm having to hold things out here to read, unlike Miss Mixon, where she can read much better than I can because she's had Restore lenses in both eyes. When did you have the Restore lens?
A year ago.
A year ago, both eyes?
Both eyes.
Okay, and you're seeing 20/40 and 20/30 at distance, but I want you to kind of tell us how the vision is to you.
The vision is absolutely awesome.
Really?
I can read, I can drive. I not only can drive, I can drive when it's raining, I can drive at night. There are no halos, there are no distortions, and this is completely different than before the vision. Before I had the Restore. I could not drive if it rained. My social life at night was just non-existent. Somebody had to come pick me up. I felt like an old woman. Now I feel like a young woman.
Well, which is better, your distance vision or your reading vision?
You know, I think that my distance vision is great. I don't have any complaints. But I can read the Wall Street Journal. I can read the telephone book. I don't have any problems. I had magnifying glasses. I had.
How close do you hold things to? How close do you hold things to read?
Just normal.
Is it too close or too far or just right?
It's just right.
Okay.
I have no vision problems in
but
any way.
I don't mean to interrupt you, but I test your near vision and it is perfect. You're reading our smallest letters without any problem in either eye. But your distance vision really isn't testing all, where I was thinking it would. But how are you able to compensate with the?
The only thing that I can say is that if things are not moving, maybe I don't see them, but the slightest movement in a distance brings the shape right in focus for me.
How about driving at night in bad weather though? Because I think I would have.
I don't have any problem.
You don't have any trouble?
I mean, I used to not go out at night because I couldn't see curbs, I couldn't see street signs. I had no problems driving at night.
Okay, because I was thinking with your vision, the way we're testing it today, I was expecting you to have more complaints.
I have no complaints. I mean, I just go around telling everybody how happy I am and that this is what they need. I mean, it just literally has given me a whole new lease on life.
Well, do you think you'd be able to drive a truck at night and think you could fly?
I'd love to drive a truck at night. I'd like to be the biggest gal on the highway.
Okay, anything else you want to tell us?
I'm just so grateful. And I would just say anybody that's having trouble with cataracts needs to go the whole way and that insurance should cover it.
Insurance should cover it. That's your only complaint.
But no, I'm not complaining about it. I mean, it was well worth every dime I spent.
How much was it?
I think it was $500. I don't know. $5,000 for the two of them, right?
Yeah, I think
I don't
know,
but it's the best $5,000 I ever spent.
Wow.
I have no qualms at all about encouraging people to go the extra bit.
Who shouldn't do it?
An idiot.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that.